not looking so good. Surfline said 2 mile/hour winds and it's looking closer to 10. There's some size out there, but it's really tough to read and to actually get one just from watching these guys. But we're gonna try regardless. This is so trash. Look at this wind. I did my due diligence. I checked the forecast and the wind. They just said a different number, a very wrong number. There's no way this is 2 to 3 mile/hour wind. I really want to catch at least one wave before I quit. But this is trash. Unbelievable today. One good wave. That one was kind of sketchy. There's like 3 or 4 waves within one wave today because this wind is so high. It's really frustrating. I'm going to try to get at least one more good one. It's brutal though. It's a whole lot of work for not that much payoff. That's how it is sometimes. Oh well. I got myself to blame for that one. I was too far forward. That sucks. That was about half of my energy reserves.